Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a very short answer question for 2 marks from the Cbse 2025 board paper. The question is, the coordinates of the center of a circle are 2a, a minus 7. Find the values of a if the circle passes through the point 11, minus 9 and has diameter 10 root 2 units. Now they've given you three things in the question. They've given you the coordinates of the center of the circle. They've given you a point through which the circle passes, which is 11, minus 9. And they've also given you the diameter of the circle. Now using all these three things, let's find the value of A. Now for you to understand, I'm just making a rough sketch of a circle. Okay, and I'm going to mark the center of the circle O as with coordinates 2a, a minus 7. So this is 2a, a minus 7. And I'm also going to mark another point P on the circle, which is coordinates 11, minus 9. Now, why can I mark this on the circle? Because they've said that this point 11, minus 9 passes through the circle. Okay, or the circle passes through the point rather. Okay, so let's now join these 2 points. And if I join OP, the length of OP would be the radius of the circle. Okay, now they've also given you the diameter of the circle in the question as 10 root 2 units. Now using that, let me find the radius of the circle first. So radius of the circle would be half the diameter. So that is 10 root 2 divided by 2, which is 5 root 2 units. Okay, now I can also find the radius of the circle using distance formula. Like if I can find the length of OP, I can find using distance formula. Now this is, the distance formula is x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Now where do I get the values of x2, x1, y2 and y1? They are from the 2 points that we know. We know that O is 2a, a minus 7 and p is 11, minus 9. So the value of x1 I'm taking from point P as 11, x2 I'm taking as 2a and y1 I'm taking as minus 9 and y2 I'm taking as a minus 7. Okay, now let's apply it in the formula. So length of OP is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is 2a minus 11 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared, which will be a minus 7 minus 9 the whole squared, and that would give me square root of 2a minus 11 the whole squared plus a minus 7 plus 9 the whole squared, which would be square root of 2a minus 11 the whole square plus a plus 2 the whole square. Now let me open this up using the identity a minus b the whole square and a plus b the whole square. Now what would that give me? 2a the whole square would be 4a squared minus 44a, that is the 2ab term, plus square of 11 would give me 121 plus a plus b the whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So that will give me a squared plus 4a plus 4. Okay, so this would be 4a squared plus a squared would give me 5a squared. Minus 44a plus 4a gives me 40a, minus 40a, and 121 plus 4 gives me 125. And I know that the length of OP is the radius of the circle, and we already found the radius of the circle is 5 root 2 units. So I'm just equating this to 5 root 2. Now let me square both sides so that I can get rid of the square root. When I square 5 root 2, I would get 50 from it because 5 squared is 25 and root 2 squared is 2. So when you multiply both of that together, you would get 50 is equal to 5a squared minus 40a plus 125. Now let's try and solve this equation. So for that, I'm taking the 50 to the other side. So 5a squared minus 40a plus 125 minus 50 would now become equal to 0, which is 5a squared minus 40a plus 75 is equal to 0. Let me divide throughout with 5. and I would have a squared minus 8a plus 15 is equal to 0. Now I have to think of two numbers whose product is equal to 15 and whose sum is equal to minus 8. And the two numbers would be minus 5 and minus 3. So a squared minus 5a minus 3a plus 15 is equal to 0. Let me take out a common out and I would have a minus 5 in the bracket, minus 3 common out from the next two terms, and I would have a minus 5 in the bracket. Now let's take out a minus 5 common and I would have a minus 3 in the bracket. So this gives me the value of a as either 5 or a is equal to 3. Okay, so they had asked you to find the values of a. So values of a are 5 or 3. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.